Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can directly link your Spotify account to your Reddit page. Now, it's a very easy process. This will directly open up Spotify when you click the link on the profile on Reddit, and let's get straight into it. Now, of course, the first option, open up your mobile device and head down to Reddit. Now, you can do this through your desktop browser as well. It's the exact same. Go to the top right corner where your profile appears, as you can see right here. Now from there we open up the profile, it's the first option right here, and from out there what we want to do next, we want to go and open up add a social link right below the Instagram icon. Now here press add social link, and here you see a load of options to choose from. Now we're going to Spotify right below PayPal and press Spotify. Now what this will do, you can create a display text. Let's say it's a just a simple Spotify playlist or your actual account. What you want to do, you want to name your display text, and this will pop up on the little link on your profile. Now here you want to select the Spotify URL, so the link that will open up when they click your Spotify. Now let's say you want to do display text, and then do spotify.com. Now press save. What this will do, it will create the link for Spotify, and when I press it, it will go directly to Spotify, to the link that you have given the URL. Now if you want to delete this, simply press edit in the top right corner and press the little X, and that's about it. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.